how to find your transaction history from or of rewards from live on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go and open your TikTok. When your TikTok is opening, as you see right now, you will just go here to your profile. Then on your profile you will go here on this three line at the top of the screen. Then you will go to settings and privacy. Then you will go to balance, and then on balance you will go to this icon. Wait, this, click on it, and then click on all type and change it to rewards from live. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.